I wanted to do a quick video just sharing my fall bathroom decor in the hopes that it will kind of help inspire some of you, help give you some ideas. I do have a relatively, this is the biggest bathroom in my apartment, so kind of think styling a smaller bathroom though. And my goal with my styling was to keep everything quite affordable. So if that interests you, let's go ahead and get into it. So here is my bathroom counter. And I liked mixing in oranges and warm tones. Starting off with my countertop. So this soap dispenser I got on Amazon, super cute. I love the amber glass jar for fall. I think it's a really great way to add some warm tones. And this came in a pack of 2. So if you want, a few for each bathroom, although it only came with 1 hand wash sticker. And then it came with like shampoo and conditioner, I believe, and also like a hand cream, like as far as the stickers go. But this jar I think is so cute. You could use it without the sticker, but I really like the look of having the sticker on it. And then this adorable pumpkin, I got this from Target. I have a variety of signs throughout my decor in my bathroom, and all of these signs I got on Etsy from this one shop. I will make sure to link that in the description box below, but they are the cutest signs. This is a Hello Pumpkin sign, so cute for fall. And then this little like fall floral arrangement, I got this from Target. It was super affordable. I believe it was only like $5 for this. Over here, I wanted to do something just simple, but I really like this little tray here, this warm toned wood color. It's so pretty, perfect for fall. This little pumpkin I got from Target. This is a room spray that is from the brand Peace Candles & Co. It's really nice just as like a room freshener. This scent isn't necessarily a fall scent, but I think it just looks really pretty within my fall decor here. And this scent does smell really good. They have other scents available too. This is their old packaging, so their new packaging looks a little bit different. And then I got a whole pack of these amber jar vases, and I put them throughout my house. I have another one up here. I have one in my other bathroom. I have one in my kitchen. So I just use them in a variety of ways, and I use some wheatgrass, some pampas, and these are little bunny tails. So I just combine them all together, and I think it looks so pretty and so nice for fall. The wheatgrass came in a bundle, and then the pampas and the bunny tails came in another bundle. I got those on Amazon, as well as the amber jars on Amazon, so I will link those in the description box below. And then I wanted to add some like terracotta colored towels, and these are absolutely beautiful. This is the hand towel, and then I have the matching regular bath towels, and then I also have these washcloth towels, and I got that from the brand called Great Bay Home. Super affordable. I will say they're not like the absolute softest. I think they get a little bit softer after you wash them. They are super affordable, and I kind of really like it just for the added like touch of decor in here. And then again, this super cute sign that says pumpkin patch this way. I just thought that was so cute. I got that again on Etsy, the same place that I got that sign. And this little pumpkin, a little woven pumpkin, is from Target. This is also from Target, and this I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's so cute. You can turn on the light. Just adds a little touch of ambiance. Super cute. This sign is again from the Etsy shop that I was mentioning. This is from Hobby Lobby. My husband picked this out. And then I already had these white towels. I already had this, but the white towels are from Amazon, and then this was in a set from Amazon. It came with like a hand soap dispenser and other things like that. Those pumpkins at the top are from Hobby Lobby, and then again there's that vase. Super cute. That is really it. Super quick little tour of my bathroom fall decor. So cute. I'll also show you a glimpse at the smaller bathroom that I have to show you a little bit of that decor as well. Here's a little glimpse of my fall bedroom decor. Pretty simple, but I really like how it came out. I will make sure to link everything in the description box below. All right, and then here is my smaller bathroom. I don't have a whole lot of decor going on, but just a little bit here. The Hello Fall sign is from Hobby Lobby. It was really affordable. Again, that's the same little pumpkin, again from Hobby Lobby. It lights up, which is really cute. Then I got that little truck from Hobby Lobby, and then again, the amber jar with the wheatgrass, pampas, and bunny tails. I will link everything the best that I can. I might not be be able to find the exact same thing for everything, but I'll try to put some similar options. And then this got from Marshall's. And then I got this nice hand soap. The scent is Acorn Spice, and I thought that was really, really nice for fall. And I already had this glass jar. I had a whole set of glass jars, and I just reused them for different times of the year and kind of add different arrangements in there. This is just a really pretty orange flower arrangement. I got these from Hobby Lobby, and I got this glass vase from Amazon in a set. And then this cute little adorable house is also from Hobby Lobby. It lights up, it's so cute. I really like how everything looks with the lights off. I just think it's so, so pretty. So that is everything. I know that was really, really quick. I do have a like to know it, which is where you can view the pictures and then shop what is in the pictures. So I will have links for those in the description box below. I'll categorize it for my bathroom, my bed decor, and all of that. And I feel like that'll be maybe the quickest and easiest way to link the products for you. So definitely check out the description box below if you are interested in anything that I included in today's video. I really hope this helped you out and gave you some good fall decor ideas. I also have done a whole other video for fall decor for other areas of my house that I decorated for fall. If you are interested, I will link that video in the description box below. I'll also link it up here. If you do like decor related content, I recently started an Instagram account specifically just for home decor. So if that interests you, my Instagram handle is Her Cozy Home Decor. I would love it if you would go ahead and follow me over there. I will also have that Instagram account linked in the description box below. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you want to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all for my next video.